This is the BISSELL CrossWave. It vacuums and mops all in one. Turn this little knob and you push it until it snaps.
All right, now how do you get it out? Just pull it?
Pull it up.
Okay, so you kind of put your foot on here.
Yeah,
and then
just
pull
to
it up.
stabilize it.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put some water in there?
And some cleaning fluid.
Okay, let's check that out. All right, so what are we doing here? We have to untwist the head. This is the thing that goes on
We're going
top.
to fill it with water to there,
Okay,
and then the formula goes to there.
okay. And what is the formula?
Multi.
That's the multi-surface BISSELL formula. So she fills it up with
There's
water.
a little bit left, so I got to get the bubbles out.
Oh, okay. So you probably don't have to put as much of it. Okay, good. Now we got to put this in here, right? So this comes off. Yeah, oh, you use that.
Yeah, it's got a little funnel on it.
Oh, smart.
Makes it easy.
Okay. Here we go. Putting it in. Putting it in. Filling her up. That's probably enough, right?
No, I do too.
Oh, two of those?
Yeah.
Oh. Another shot.
Yeah.
So where can you get this stuff? Like, can you get this on Amazon?
Yes, I bought the CrossWave on Amazon, and I buy my supplies on Amazon.
Oh, okay. So you bought the BISSELL on Amazon, and you buy this on Amazon also.
Yep.
And how much does this cost?
Oh, I'd have to look it up. Less than $16, I'm guessing.
And how long does it last?
Well, I've only used about half of it, and I've had it about 6 months.
Okay, this has a little thing on top. It's got like an aerator. And you just tighten that down. You want to make sure it's good and tight so it doesn't squirt.
I didn't tighten it once, and it leaked out.
Oh, gosh. All right, let's go put her back in. All right, so here she goes. She's putting her in, snapping her down. Bam, done. Now what do we do?
Put her foot here to pull it back.
Okay,
Push this on.
okay.
Until this triggers. That would pull the juice through.
Right here?
Yeah.
Go ahead, do a pull. Do I see any water come through, or does it? Oh, yeah. And where's the trigger at? I don't see it. Oh, the trigger's right here. All right, so the trigger's underneath here. Okay, I see now. And it just pops, and then to push it forward, you just do that. And to
Yeah,
pop
just hold
it,
your foot on it, and it brings it back.
so you just go like this, and that releases it. You pop it forward, and it just stays there?
Because it swivels,
Oh, I see.
you gotta make sure you
So
have
you gotta get it, you gotta get it straight.
Then, when you're done, you push this button here,
Okay.
pull this out,
Oh, wow. And there's the dirty water. So we have to, let's show me how you clean that.
wash it. Okay, so I just pull this off,
Okay.
dump that out.
Yep. Then that's got like some type of filter system in it, or?
Yep, there's a filter on it.
Okay, does that come out too, or?
No, I just squirt it.
Okay. Just like that, huh? Okay, so that's cleaned up. Let's take a look at it. It's got some hair on it. Look at that.
Can I do the same with this?
All right, so it's got like some. All right. And then that just sets back in there?
Yeah, then you just
I think it goes the other way.
put it back in.
Ooh, looks, it's got to get smushed down a little bit more.
No, that's okay.
That's
we
it
go.
right there. Oh yeah, you
almost
can
dry.
see it. All right, so we got to get this back in here. Wait, before we put it in, should we pull that dirt out of there?
Sure.
So that we get. Oh, look, there's more. Do we need to squirt that?
We can.
All right, there we go. I think it's ready.
Then you just stick it and pop it in.
Oh, that's ready to go. All right, now what about the head itself? How's that work? Do you have to pull this?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, we got to clean that thing, don't we?
Yeah.
So it definitely gets glooped up here. That comes out too.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, should we go ahead and take that outside and squirt it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do that. So that is kind of gunky. You gotta, I guess, after a couple of runs, you
Yeah.
gotta squirt that thing out.
I don't know.
Oh, she's going for the hard squirt. Oh shit!
Might want to get back.
Now we're getting it. Now you're getting it. He's looking at me when you do it. Go do it again. Ah! All right, cool.
Watch is waterproof.
Now this is where we really got to clean her up.
This I can soak in the sink and soap.
Yeah. But that thing gets pretty dirty. So would you say you have to clean it every other wash? Or
Yeah,
every
I usually do every other time I use it. And I have other What's nice is this comes with a nice stand to set it on,
Uh-huh.
and it's got things for these to set on.
Oh, wow. So you can pull those out and let them dry.
And I bought 4 extras.
So this one here, what
That's-
would you do? You would just squeeze it out and just let it dry off, and then
I'll go put it in the stand.
put it in the stand. You put one of the dry ones back in it.
No, I'd leave it off.
Oh, you would? Until you're ready to
I'm
do
ready
it.
to use it again.
Okay, so here's our stand.
Now we put
So we
that
put
in there to dry.
Okay, it's Bissell. Now, how's it go in?
It goes in the other thing.
Oh, okay, let's do that. Okay, so now let's look at this. Oh, wait a minute. Should we do some cleanup?
Yes, I'll get a wet paper towel.
Oh, we got to do that. Should we take it outside and squirt it?
Yeah, unplug it.
I guess we just wrap the plug up, and then
I got it.
so you turn that up. This thing goes like this and goes like that. And she does it crisscrossy. That's the best way to do it so it doesn't get all tangled, as long as you don't drop it.
I'm doing it left-handed.
Damn it, you're doing it good. All right, so let's say we're going to take that out. We're going to do a little squirtage.
Now lift it up so that it flows out this way.
Oh, this way? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what
Just
you're
lift,
doing.
yeah.
All right, that looks good.
I'm gonna do a little jet
Okay,
in these corners.
get it up. Hit that corner hard. What do you think?
Looks good.
All right, I think we're good. All right, so how does it go in? So that's the hole that goes into that whole thing over there.
Yeah, and you can see it fits.
Okay. And then this, you line it up. Line it up. And just
Pop
smush
it
it
in.
in. That's it.
Yep.
And then you got to put your top on. Now, how's that work? So it slips in like that. And then you just pop it down. It's done.
Yep.
All right, let's do some more cleaning. So one is for rugs. One's for, we did the hardwood floor. So you can actually do your rug. Now, does water come out when you do the rug?
Yep.
Wow, so it does, it like,
I have cleaned my carpeting with this.
oh, okay. All right, I think that's it, man. I think we covered everything on this, didn't we? All right.
If it's damp or wet, it's in this rubber tray. The wheels set in little grooves. It
Yeah.
just sits there.
And that's,
This is the one we washed. It's drying. We've got a
Okay.
clean one in there for next time.
so this, when you buy it, you get all this stuff
All of it
included.
came with it, yep.
You get 2 of these rollers. You get this little thing to set it in.
And a small container of juice.
Bam.
See, that's where the wheels go.
Oh, okay. And so they just sit there, and that keeps it from rolling forward.
Yep.
Bam, Bob is your uncle. All right, thank you very much. That was an excellent dissertation on the Bissell.